So what does a small YouTube channel actually earn after being monetized for 6 months? My channel now has just passed 2,200 subscribers and about 80,000 views. And today I want to share something that not many YouTubers, content creators, actually want to talk about. Their real YouTube earnings. Where the income actually came from, and what surprised me the most, why building a strong community is the most important thing you can do while growing your YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Mel and I run the YouTube channel Relax with Mel. It is a calm space where I share diamond painting and how that has really brought calm in my life. Those that know me know what my family have had to endure the last 10 years with my husband and his head injury. It hasn't been easy growing a family, and yeah, we're a strong family and we've stuck together nonetheless. And so creative live streams and relaxing music is really what I bring to the table here on this channel. And why I choose the arts and crafts that I do. And really love to share that with as many people as I can. So if you'd like to subscribe for more, please do. I don't do videos like this very often. I do find it really hard to talk about income. But I am sharing today, so I appreciate you all being here, and any likes and future subscriptions would be awesome. I'm a content creator and I love to support other content creators as well. So yeah, welcome to the channel. So let's talk numbers. So for my 6 months of being monetized, I have earned just over 400 New Zealand dollars. Now for some people that might sound really small and not worth their while. For me, it represents something really meaningful. For this little creative space that we have built together, it is really starting to support itself. But there's one thing that these earnings have really surprised me. It didn't all come from ads. It actually came from the community choosing to support me and my channel. So it came through super chats and super thanks and gifts and memberships. The main income sources during these 6 months were super chats during live streams, super thanks left on videos, channel memberships, and then a smaller portion came from the YouTube ad revenue. So while ads are part of the monetization, what really stood out to me is the majority of the support that came from the community around the channel. If you are not sure how to become part of the YouTube monetization program, you can start earning in 2 ways. So once you've hit 3,000 watch hours and you have 500 subscribers and at least 3 videos up on your channel within a certain amount of time, you can become partially monetized. And I became partially monetized in late July last year. And that just started to build up on my knowledge of being monetized and the potential of YouTube. And really appreciate everyone that supported me in those early days. And you can also, if YouTube allows it, you can start a membership program. I highly recommend it. That is the first part, and then to become fully monetized you need 4,000 watch hours, 1,000 subscribers, and at least 3 videos as well. When people talk about growing a YouTube channel, they often focus on things like the algorithm, thumbnails, and trying to go viral. But what I'm learning is building a strong community is one of the most important foundations of a successful YouTube channel. So when people feel welcome, when conversations happen in the comments, when viewers show up to live streams and create alongside each other, that's when a channel becomes something more meaningful than just the views. I'll also be honest about something. I would absolutely love to grow the income from this channel over time. Like many families, we have financial goals. I have a daughter that's just started university, and as many parents will understand, that can be quite expensive. So if this channel eventually grows enough to support our family a little more, that would mean a lot. But I want the growth to come from building something genuine and meaningful here, not just chasing trends or viral videos. And this really sums up how I see this space. This space exists because we show up together. Before making this video, I asked my community what they would like to know about monetization and the channel, so I'd like to take some time to answer them now. First question, so how many subscribers do you need to make money on YouTube? To monetize a channel, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. But earning meaningful income takes time because the ad revenue for most small YouTube channels when we start out is quite small. Do live streams make more money? For this channel, live streams is actually where the community connection happens the most. And yeah, that can quite often be in the way of a super chat. More importantly, live streams is where people come together and become creative. Is starting a YouTube channel worth it? For me, absolutely. I couldn't envision my life now without YouTube. So not only because of the income potential, it's the community. Again, I keep saying community because it is where the magic happens, but it's who we meet along the way and the friendships that we are forming, the knowledge that we're sharing. And it's free. So in the early days I used YouTube to find out things quickly. I wanted to learn how to cook something different, or when I was a portrait photographer, I wanted to learn how to do a certain style of photography, and it's all free information. So we love YouTube. Another question was shorts. Are they worth doing when you're starting a channel? I think yes, definitely, if you enjoy shorts, the short form videos. Initially I didn't enjoy them too much, but it's actually how I picked up my YouTube channel after it being in a hiatus for about 10 years, I think. They can be a creative way to meet people. Some people are really creative with doing shorts. I tend to use AI to make my shorts. But some people are just naturally really good at doing it. They are a good way initially to build traffic to your channel and to get new subscribers, but they aren't a good way to earn watch hours. So long form videos of like around 8 to 10 minutes are optimum, and you're building yourself up as well for when you do become monetized. Having a video over 8 minutes long means you can put a mid-roll ad partway through your video, and you not only get the ad watch play from the beginning of the video, you get it partway through the video. Yeah, so definitely do short form in those early days, but as you start to build up your subscribers, you probably, some people will delist their shorts. Don't delete any content. Keep your content up. Either make it private, unlist it, never delete it. I think that was pretty much all the questions I had. If you do have any questions, please do drop them down below. But in some reflection, so 6 months ago, this was just an idea, and now we have thousands of subscribers and tens of thousands of views, live stream chats, and a growing community. And yeah, people are spending creative time together and not stressing out. I'm incredibly grateful for that. So if you have any questions on YouTube, monetization, or building a creative channel, please feel free to leave your questions in the comments below. Please connect. Please, do subscribe, and if my content resonates with you. So whether you support this channel financially or by watching, commenting, and just being part of this space, thank you. Because this space truly exists because we show up together.